What is up, everybody? Are you ready for the rumor mill? So, how would you feel, tell me in the comments below, about Eli Tomac riding a Yamaha? Apparently that is the rumor going around right now. Supposedly this is from Steve Mathis, or Mathis? Yeah, whatever. So, if this is wrong, blame him. I'm just following the news that I'm looking at right now, and question mark? That could be kind of neat. Obviously, if you didn't know, Eli Tomac has ridden for Kawasaki for, was it 5 years now, from 2016 onward, 3 motocross titles, and obviously the one supercross title he won a couple years ago. It's just big. I mean, do you think he'd be good on the Yamaha? Do you think he'd be bad on the Yamaha? Do you think he should just stay on the Kawasaki? And if he does move, whose seat do you think he's taking? I'm assuming it's not going to be Ferrandis's because he probably just signed his deal, so it's probably going to be Plessinger's. And if that happens, well, Plessinger's out of a ride. He's been talked about going to KTM. But who do you think would take the Kawasaki ride? Alongside AC, do you think somebody else would move in, or they'd pull up one of the 250 guys? I don't know. I think it's a neat little, neat rumor, obviously, because that's what it is at the point until something is actually signed. But tell me in the comments down below, do you think he's staying with Kawasaki? Do you think he would move over to Yamaha? And if he does, do you think it'd be a good choice for him and obviously for the team? So comment down below, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more stupid little things like this, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!